Hey, it's Uncle Mad. We're in the kitchen today. It's been a while. I don't think I've put out a non-Catterday vlog in over a week, and that was even like just a boring me rolling around in the snow vlog. Hope you enjoyed it. But we're back in the kitchen. I kind of said this was gonna happen with the new year starting. Everything was kind of quieting down. I wasn't sticking to the schedule anymore. I wasn't gonna force vlogs upon people. If I had a vlog, I was gonna do it. If I didn't, so be it. So I haven't had anything in a while. Titans had a bye week, so didn't have anything to record this week for that. Thought about maybe doing a live show with Kyle, but never really felt up to it. I don't know, things have been weird. January is always a weird month where you're just like cold, sad, bummer. Let's steer in the right direction. This is turning into a bummer of a vlog already. So, decided I needed to pick me up, realized haven't had a vacation. Well, I haven't had a vacation since November, that's not that odd. But this is the first time since like August 2019, I haven't had a vacation scheduled, at least at some point out in the future, because it was like August 2019 when we first booked our big family trip that was supposed to be October of 2020 to Disney World, got moved to October 2021, had several vacations with Jessica here and there on the way, but right now, no vacations on the book. We're looking at dates for next fall for our next Baja Principe vacation, but nothing's locked in yet. I'm thinking about when I can next maybe make my way down to Orlando, but I don't have any vacations. What kind of life is this? So I thought, Jessica said, hey, what should we do for dinner tonight? I was like, I had no idea. She said, why don't you cook something out of the Disney books? Boom, Disney at home, perfect day, perfect way to get a vacation without taking a vacation. Do a Disney at home, because I don't know if you remember this from the Christmas vlogs. Jessica got me two wonderful Disney cooking books. Disney food, Disney drinks. So I thought, pick one from each book, do a drink, do a food, have a Disney day at home, get a little taste of the magic, even though we don't have any vacations planned right now. Get a taste of it. So, picked a drink, easy, found all the stuff for it. Picked a food item. Cheeseburger, spring rolls, delicious, mwah, Ventureland. Should have been eating them for years, only just tried them on my vacation with nephew Parker last summer. Put the link in the description down below, go back and watch that. Jessica in the rain on our trip in October sprinted all the way across the park. She didn't want to ride a ride, she wanted those spring rolls, she got them, she loved every minute of it. Don't think we documented that much, but I'll put that link in the description down below. Why not? Click it, don't, who cares? Here's the problem. Could not find egg roll wrappers, spring roll wrappers to save my life. Went to 3 different grocery stores, scrapped that plan, decided to go with Animal Kingdom Pandora cheeseburger pods. We've done those on the channel before, but we're gonna use an actual recipe from this unofficial official Disney cookbook. Here came to the problem number 2. The recipe in this one calls for you to make your own dough for the pods. I didn't build in enough time to do that, so. But here's the good news. I got the stuff to be able to do those 2 recipes, so as soon as we get those last little ingredients that we need, we'll be able to do those, so you're gonna get those vlogs in the not too distant future. So while I was only planning to do 1 vlog, I've created the infrastructure to do 2. So we haven't had vlogs in like 2 weeks. Now 2 are coming in short succession. And Titans home game, Saturday. Bengals coming to town. I'm terrified. They've got like the best receivers in the NFL, and Joe Burrow's like insane. We're the top team. We've won all the games we've won for a reason. I hope we win. There'll be a vlog from it though. That's a terrible analysis of the game. Best receivers in the NFL, but we've won some good games. I hope we win. I really need to get Kyle. Me and Kyle need to do a live show because my ability to analyze the Titans gone off the cliff. So, here's the deal. Here's what we're doing in this vlog. A lot of rambling to get to the point of what we're doing. I'm still making the Disney drink because after going to like 4 different grocery stores, I'm not a drinker, but it feels like I need a drink. So, that's what we're gonna do here. And when in doubt, there's always our other backup plan for cooking at home, the Bob's Burgers cookbook. So, we're already on the path for some type of burger-esque meal, so might as well go with Bob the Burger King. And today we are going to be making Jesus is Born Burger. So look at the menu, what we got going on for you today. I've rambled enough. Let's cook some food. I'm gonna make the drink first though. All right, so the drink that Jesta has selected from our Disney drinking book is the grown-up lemonade from Woody's Lunchbox in Hollywood Studios. Now, the recipe itself here, it calls for cherry vodka, but we already had lemon vodka. I don't know if that's a huge difference. As you know, I'm not a drinker. This is what Jessica calls her sweet, sweet special sauce. So I know she likes it, so we're making a lemonade, might as well put lemon vodka in it. That just makes sense to me. But beyond that, we're going with frozen cherries, a little bit of simple syrup, some lemonade, and check this out. Might have a lawsuits on our hands one way or the other with that brand lemonade. So all goes in a blender, blend it all up, pour it over ice. Sounds delicious. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I'm gonna double the recipe because I'm gonna make two, one for me, one for Jessica. So it's like half cup cherries, half cup lemonade, 2 ounces cherry vodka, half ounce simple syrup, and then you pour it over 1 cup ice cubes. I'm gonna double all that, make 2 for me. No, 2, 1 for me, 1 for Jessica. Not 2 for me, just 1 for me. A little bit of the vodka. Okay, I think we're good. Let's go see if I remember how the Ninja Blender works. Probably not. Okay, there we have it. It kind of almost looks like a smoothie. I can almost convince myself that this is a healthy beverage. Been trying to do better in 2022. Actually, I haven't had fries all this year. I'm gonna have fries tonight though. So this is the other thing. I realized when I watched back on the sort of the New Year's, video that I did. I basically said everything I was gonna do on the channel was all cooking videos, and then said I was also gonna try to lose weight. So it's another reason I haven't done any vlogs, because I've been trying to make better eating decisions and doing hot chicken vlogs, the best burger in Nashville, lunch break sandwich reviews. Seemed like that was a bad direction. So I'm trying to find some non-food stuff to do on the channel. Help me out. Let me know in the comments down below. What could I do around Nashville that doesn't involve eating food that's going to make my cholesterol even higher than it already is? But it's been good. No fries all year long, so it'll be the first time tonight that we have fries, because I can't make cheeseburgers without fries. And I've stuck to no beer this year, so far so good. But I'm not a drinker, so that one's not hard. But let's see how this grown-up lemonade tastes. Cheers. That is a very tasty, refreshing beverage. Cheers to Jessica for selecting that for our drink tonight. Okay, we got our beverage, so we're ready to start cooking. Looks like it's a pretty straightforward burger. We're gonna saute up some mushrooms. Pan's heating up right now. Once they're good and sauteed, we're gonna throw a little bit of diced Roma tomato in with them. It's gonna be a nice little blend that's gonna go on top of the burger. The burger we're mixing in some brown mustard with. That should be pretty good. And then we're gonna heat up a little bit of gravy. A little bit of gravy burger, gravy mushroom burger. And there's 2 types of cheeses on that. So it's a lot of gravy mushroom and then the cheeses. I don't know, it feels like it needed more cheese to be called the whatever cheeses is coming to save us burger, but it is what it is. We listen to Bob, we do what he says. I'm gonna shout this out every single time I do a burger video. This is the best product ever. I've never been able to make good burger patties, and this thing saves my life. This vlog is sponsored by Cuisinart. Ooh, looking good. Alright, so a little mushroom tomato mix has come out of the pan. Steaming. I've got our burger patties pressed. They kind of stuck because of the mustard to the Cuisinart, so after I gave that big promo to it, it didn't work as good. Although this one came out great. Look at that. Look at that. That is a perfectly made burger. Thank you, Cuisinart, for that one. But once the mustard kind of got on the thing, the other two kind of stuck and didn't hold their shape as well. But it's burgers. Who cares? Burger cooking time. Fries are in the air fryer. Healthy. 2022. Everything's coming up. Uncle Mad. Gravy's cooking. Burgers are cooking. Buns are toasted. It is unbelievable what a difference a nice toasted bun can make. Crazy story, we had hot dogs a little while back and I toasted the buns And maybe 30, 40 minutes later, Sissy texted me from downstairs, hey, can you make me another hot dog? And I was a little taken aback because we don't do anything that complicated on the hot dogs. We just throw them in the hot dog water and let them cook. So I was kind of confused as why she wasn't able to come upstairs and cook her own. Lo and behold, that was the first time she ever had a hot dog bun toasted. That came out a little bit wrong. But I was blown away that Sissy had never had a toasted hot dog bun before, so that's what she wanted. She wanted me to toast her up another bun. I'm getting tongue-tied now, so I'm going to stop. Alright, so I'm guessing it was the mustard, but the burgers kind of unofficially turned into smash burgers, but it'll have to work. They fell apart as soon as I flipped them, but the cheese will do wonders to keep them back together, so we're going to throw those on those buns over there, top them off with a little bit of gravy, and it'll be time to eat. Alright, so this is about how I would have expected these to turn out after the hectic day of trying to find everything to cook dinner, but we're going to eat. Here's a low carb one right there. Okay, here's the final product of our dinner plate. Looks pretty good. Let's give the unintentional smash burger. Oh my god, look, half the burger slipped off. The unintentional smash burger. Look at that right there. I actually made some poutine. Surprise poutine. Oh, that surprise poutine is good, actually. All right, burger time. Bon appetit. That's not pretty good. The cheese makes it. The buttery Swiss is what it was called, to replace the Jarlsberg. So that's why I looked up. What is Jarlsberg? It said, it's like Swiss cheese, only buttery. So I found the Swiss cheese and said, this is creamy and buttery, so we went with that. Woo, pretty good, I'm sweating. What do you think, Jesta?
Really good.
You heard it here first. I'm recording, right? Yes.
What about your beverage?
Beverage is good still. All right, so eating that accidental poutine gave me an idea to take the previously listed as low carb version, because I only made 2 buns, and make real poutine. So I mean, if I was already eating unhealthy today, I might as well still steer into the curve on this one. That might have been the way to go from the get-go. That's good. That's real good. Good job by me. Alright, that's gonna do it for the vlog. I don't think anything in this one went according to plan, but it all turned out good in the end. I was gonna try to make some like metaphor about life, but then I was like, that'll be really cheesy and stupid, so I'm gonna skip it. More to come. We're gonna do that other thing that I had originally planned to do soon, so subscribe to the channel. Titans Game Day vlog coming this weekend. I need stuff that's not just food to do on the channel though. Let me know, comments down below, give me ideas. I need stuff to do. Help. And subscribe, but mostly help. Can't do this anymore. 3, 2, 1. Okay, what's up everybody? Uncle Mad. Wait, no. Scratch that. I got a new intro that I want to do. New intro. Do the new intro. 3, 2, 1.